Here's a month-by-month plan to improve your English in 2025. January. Setting the foundation. Goal. Build a habit of practicing English daily. Plan. Learn basic grammar rules, nouns, verbs, adjectives. Memorize 10 new words daily using flashcards. Practice simple sentence formation. Spend 20 minutes listening to English podcasts or videos. February. Expanding vocabulary. Goal. Increase vocabulary and comprehension. Plan. Focus on word families, act, action, actor. Read short English stories or articles, one per day. Write a 5-sentence summary of what you read. Practice listening with subtitles on English shows. March. Improving grammar. Goal. Master intermediate grammar topics. Plan. Study tenses, prepositions, and conjunctions. Complete grammar exercises, online or workbook. Write a short daily journal in English. Have a 15-minute conversation with a language partner. April. Enhancing speaking skills. Goal. Speak English confidently. Plan. Join online English speaking groups. Practice 5 tongue twisters daily to improve pronunciation. Record yourself speaking about a topic for 2 minutes. Shadow native speakers, repeat sentences as you hear them. May. Developing listening skills. Goal. Understand spoken English better. Plan. Watch movies or shows without subtitles. Listen to English songs and write down the lyrics. Use English audiobooks, start with slow-paced ones. Practice dictation, write what you hear. June. Strengthening writing skills. Goal. Write clearly and correctly. Plan. Write emails, essays, or blog posts in English. Use online tools, Grammarly, to check errors. Learn and use transitional phrases for better flow. Rewrite and improve your previous entries. July. Advancing reading skills. Goal. Read fluently and understand different texts. Plan. Start reading novels or non-fiction books in English. Use a dictionary for difficult words. Practice skimming and scanning for key information. Discuss what you read with a friend or online group. August. Mastering idioms and phrasal verbs. Goal. Sound more natural and native. Plan. Learn 5 idioms and phrasal verbs daily. Use them in sentences and conversations. Watch videos or read books that use casual English. September. Building confidence. Goal. Apply your skills in real-life situations. Plan. Participate in public speaking or debates. Engage in English chats on social media or forums. Teach someone basic English concepts to reinforce your knowledge. October. Preparing for exams or certification, optional. Goal. Prepare for English tests, IELTS, TOEFL. Plan. Practice past papers and mock tests. Work on time management and essay writing. Focus on areas of weakness from previous months. November. Embracing advanced skills. Goal. Polish and perfect your English. Plan. Learn advanced vocabulary, business or academic. Practice persuasive and formal writing. Engage in debates or advanced discussions. December. Review and reflect. Goal. Assess your progress and set new goals. Plan. Revisit your work from January to November. Identify areas for improvement. Celebrate milestones and continue learning into 2026. Tips for success. 1. Stay consistent. Practice daily. 2. Use apps like Duolingo, Memrise, or HelloTalk. 3. Surround yourself with English through media, friends, and activities.